Hey guys, so we're gonna be doing an at-home facial. It's raining outside and it's just today's Sunday. Today's the 14th of July. It's like 10 days before my birthday, but I wanted to do a facial because I felt like my skin was just giving like it's about to go through a breakout maybe in the next week or so, but I don't want to speak anything. I'm going to cancel that. And also, faith without work is dead, so I'm going to be doing an at-home facial, just the whole works. So I'm first going to put on this on my head and then pull. This is just, you can use this any headband that you have, but I prefer this one because it just covers all of my head. It covers a good portion of my head, especially since my hair is a hot mess right now. So this is also good if you wash your hair, like if you just came out of the shower and you want to dry your hair, just put on this headband and it's nice. And yeah, this one is from Daiso. Yeah, so this is us guys. We are going to be doing an at-home facial. I have everything that I need. I even have like my tablet, gonna play some aesthetic music, and I have like a speaker. Today's Sunday, so it's also an opportunity for me to listen to the word. I'm going to be doing a little bit of everything in this video, so just sit back, relax and enjoy the video, okay? And I'm going to be doing a little bit of like a voiceover, talk through I should say, and yeah, just to prevent the video from being super long. So as you can tell, my face has a little bit of grease, so let us get straight into the video. I'll share everything with you, even the steamer that we're using. So just sit back, relax, enjoy, as I said before, and let us get straight into the video. Okay guys, so we are nice and zoomed in just because, yeah, we're gonna start the video. And I just turned on the cool function, or the warm function I should say. I'm going to turn on the cool function now because I don't want the water to be really hot. I just want it to, because the air is very cold and I don't really like when I do my skincare and the place is too hot. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. So I'm just turning on the cool function now, just to give it a vibe. Alright? So, come on, you're getting in my way. So this is our face right now. The first thing I'm going to do is to wash. I'm going to take off my rings. First thing I'm going to do is to wash my hand. I'm going to rinse my face and come back to you, and then we're going to apply the skincare products. Okay guys, so the first thing we're going to be doing is I'm going to be using, this is my cleansing sponge. It's just going to really clean my face, and then I'm going to go in with this Whip facial cleanser from I love this cleanser because it actually does a good job. So what I basically do, apply some to the cleansing sponge. And this cleansing sponge actually is a microfiber cloth, so it's very gentle on the skin, super soft. I'm gonna be using that now to really cleanse my skin, and I'm just going to go through this cleansing portion about a minute or so, but I'm just going to really clean my face. And guys, you don't have to worry about this. The cleansing sponge is so soft. As I said before, it's microfiber cloth. So I'm just rubbing the skin. As I said before, this is an exfoliation, really deep cleaning routine, because my skin has been feeling really congested because of the weather conditions. It's very humid, it's very warm, sometimes it rains, so my skin is just going through, you know, the seasonal changes, and it's just responding to the weather. So basically I went ahead, I cleansed my skin with water, and then I'm just using my hand towel now to dry my skin. As you can tell, clean face towel. And then after that, I'm going to go in with my glycolic acid. That is just going to really exfoliate my skin. And I go in with a cotton pad
and I actually do this before I go in and steam, and then after I steam I'm going to go in with another toner. But what I like to use the exfoliating toner to do is to really remove any dead skin, any extra dirt and everything, and I take that onto my neck likewise. And then after I'm finished with that, then we're going to go in with the steaming. This is my Kingdom Care steamer. Yes, it has both cool function and warm function, and I love to use this because it actually does the job. And you can also mix the steaming. So for example, if you want mid, like you don't want it to be super hot, you can mix the cool function with the warm function and it will give you like warm steam, actual steam. And yeah, basically when it's cold it's more of like a humidifier vibe. Yes, so it basically just keeps your skin nice and hydrated. So what I'm going to be doing now, I know that you know, or based on my previous videos and skincare videos, my skin is very hairy. I will not do like physical, like all of my face. I won't do like what do you call it again, micro, I don't remember the name, but I won't do that to my skin, because the last time I did that, like I shaved my face the last time, my face broke out in acne and hyperpigmentation, so I don't do that. But I have to do my upper lip because I don't wax or anything, and I have to shave my brows, so that's the furthest I can go when it comes to shaving. But all of my face, my skin doesn't like it, or maybe I did it wrong, but I'm scared to actually shave my skin. I don't know when I'm going to get the courage. Someday I might get the courage to actually do my entire face, but for now I just like to shave my brows and I shave my upper lips. That's it. And when I shave my brows, it's not like precise or anything, it's just simple shaving. Go in and we'll hold. So after that I basically go in with my my rice toner from 𝐼𝐆𝐍. I like to go in the rice toner because we're sticking with the whole rice theme, and I really love this. I use it basically every time I do my skincare routine because it really helps to hydrate my skin and it calms it down. So after I use my glycolic acid, after I tone, I like to use that because it calms down my skin. And this one is from Banish. I have tried their products, but there's one thing that I'm scared to, like, I use it once and it kind of, I don't know if it helped, but it did something to my skin, so I've been afraid to try it again. But this is their enzyme face mask. I love this actually. It kind of reminds me of like an AHA, but not AHA. This is a mask. So at first when you apply it, it gives you this like a tingling feeling on the skin. Yes, but after it really just, you don't feel anything after. So what I did, I used the steamer, I used the humidifying function, and then while I'm doing that I kind of use it to remove the mask from my face. And then while I'm there now, I just basically turn on the warm function and steam my skin, basically just get the pores activated and everything, and it just felt so good. I really enjoy this, and I just basically use my rag now because it's wet and then my face is warm, so I just basically use the cleansing sponge to basically remove anything, any excess anything on my skin, oil or the mask on my skin. Yes, and then after that I just went ahead, rinse my face, and then I'm using my rag now to dry my face. So my skin is like, look at my skin, super tight and pretty. Yeah, I love that. Then I'm going in now with the mask again from 𝐼𝐆𝐍, and this is just basically to calm my skin down. Every time that I apply a mask or anything to my skin, I always hydrate the skin with the 𝐼𝐆𝐍 rice toner. And I do not apply this routine every single day. This routine is only for this specific spa skincare routine. This is basically my alpha-arbutin. I basically like to apply alpha-arbutin because it has hyaluronic acid, and hyaluronic acid actually helps to moisturize the skin. After I apply the alpha-arbutin from the ordinary, I'm going in with my jade stone roller. This one is from 𝐾𝐄. Yes, 𝐾𝐄 skincare. I'll link them. Oh my gosh, I love them. I've been using this since 2020 and it's 2024 now, so it's the same jade roller that I've been using. But I really like this just for to get, you know, all of the little fluid and, you know, everything that is stored up in one area of my face. I want to depuff. I want my face to feel good, and for some reason I just always feel like whenever I'm using this the moonstone roller, I don't know, it just feels good on my skin. I feel like I'm exercising my muscles on my face. I don't know how to say that, but it just always feels really good, and it's like frozen. I put it in the freezer and it didn't break or anything because it's original, it's real. So I just basically went ahead with some lip gloss, and now I'm using this liquid vitamin C on my face, and I just basically pat it in because my skin is just ready to receive everything. And then after that I go in with my moisturizer. This one is from Beauty by Joseon, the Dynasty cream. This is an evening time moisturizer. I basically put that all over the face and then around my neck, and I don't have to apply any eye cream when I'm using this because I feel like it just hydrates. And this is my skin after all of that. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe and take care of your skin during summer, because these acne and pimples, like, I don't know, they like our faces, especially people with combination skin or oily skin. They love our skin. So just take your time and just give yourself a nice little spa. And yeah, hope you enjoyed this video. See you in the next one. Bye.